Hello everybody, this is Carrie Rodriguez and welcome back to my channel. If you hear my 3-year-old, that's because every time I'm making videos or in my craft room, she likes to be in here with me. She's actually right now playing with her own junk journal that I made for her, and she really likes to use. As you can tell, she glues random paper and washi uses my washi tape. So that's her book. So I wanted to come on here right now to show you this mini album that I made. It will be available in my Etsy shop. It's a 6 3/4 by 6.5, and there are 3 signatures, 3 pages, and here's the back. I love this paper collection. I used a tutorial to make this, and I will leave that linked down below along with my Etsy shop. So here on this side there are a few pages for pictures. It fits 4 by 6 and wallet size 3 by 4 photos. And then here's a pocket. And then this stays closed with a magnet. And then right here we have this photo space and then some embellishments. I fussy cut these from the paper collection, and then I used some of these flowers which matched perfectly. So here's some more of the fussy cutting I did. And then here's a banner, so you can put a picture here, 3 by 4. And then on this side, this opens up so you can put pictures. And this was also fussy cut, and then I punched out some hearts and glued them on that page. This one has a side loading pocket with an insert. And then there's a pocket here with this insert. I embellished it with some hearts, and this is 3 by 4. Here is a pocket with vellum, and then I have this insert in here. And then on this page I have this wooden heart and these beautiful flowers. Here's some fussy cutting that I did. I love this, what is it called? Rose gold shimmer paper. And then on this side you can put pictures, 3 by 4 and a 4 by 6. And here I cut this from the paper collection also. This is left open to tuck the picture underneath there. Here's some more embellishments from my fussy cutting. And then a side loading pocket with this insert. So on these inserts you can write down about the pictures. You can tuck stuff inside there, some loose papers, as well as any other pocket. You can use this to put pictures, you can put stickers, you can decorate it more, add more to it. Here's some more picture space. Here's a pocket right here with this insert. I think this was like a blush, My Mind's Eye blush paper pad I got from Hobby Lobby. So here's another pocket with the vellum, some more flowers. I think those are Prima flowers, but it matched perfectly. And I tried to use both landscape and portrait photo space. And then here, this picture here. And then this side loading pocket. And then some more 3 by 4. Here's a pocket as well. I put these little rose gold tags in here, and then this flips out. I love this paper. I have another paper pad, and I think I'm going to make another album. And I loved the tutorial, so as I mentioned, I'll link that below, as well as the Etsy link to my shop where this is available for sale. And then the last page here, I just did this fussy cutting, and I punched out a flower. I put a heart in the middle. And then this one opens up, so you can put pictures here and here. And so that's it. That's my book. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye, everybody.